welcome back to Zoe the Sassy Dog channel. Today we're in Santa Monica. We're here at Barkchella, checking this cool event for dogs out. They are having it at apartments.com office location, and there's a lot of cute little dogs. And we are going to explore the type of things that they have set up, what Zoe can do, how she's going to react with the other dogs. She's getting excited, and the type of free things that they have. So follow us and let's see. Just found out is having a puppychino that is pretty much just whipped cream that your dog can have in a cup, and we're going to see how Zoe reacts to that because I've never given her whipped cream, I think she likes it. Coconut milk. Ooh, you're getting the fancy one. Let's see.
What is inside of it? Can I see inside?
Yeah.
It's blueberries and whipped cream.
Blueberries and whipped cream. Can you get to? I'm not sure if the cup is too tall for her.
Yeah, it might be.
But
that's it for the puppychino.
Maybe not.
A flower crown for Zoe. Zoe, do you want a flower crown? Zoe, do you want a flower crown? I know, he's super cute.
Just going to town on this cookie.
I know. So Zoe got a special treat. They have a lot of treats for the dogs here, as you guys saw in the with the puppychino. Now she got a cookie.
You still want this?
Zoe.
That must be a good cookie.
I know. As you can see, Zoe has her little flower crown right now.
Look pretty.
Maybe we should try and put it on her head. Or she's gonna go like that. She's gonna shake her head.
Just big.
We'll see if she allows it to stay on her head.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a friend over here.
Hi. Hold on, that's not polite, honey. Come on, baby.
Again? Where?
So they also have these cool Instagram opportunities. So oh, that's so cute. Oh, we got it, yeah.
I was trying to train her, but hold it back.
So we're gonna try to put the flower crown.
Zoe, she doesn't like things around her head much.
Oh, she got it. She got the flower crown on. Oh, you just popped your head on the camera. Oh man. Womp womp.
Always does that. Every time I try to put something on her hat, she always just
Takes it off.
and get it off. You just took it off, silly.
Oh, now she thinks I'm safety or something.
Safe behind Effie. Something like this.
There we go, that's cute. At least she's kind of wearing it now.
She's kinda.
Zoe, look at me. I was trying to get a good screen grab.
Yeah.
It's
But
cute.
she's about to shake again.
She's gonna shake it off. Shake it off like Taylor Swift.
Shake it.
Shake it.
Like a bowler, right? Thank you guys for coming and check out with us Barkchella today. It was really fun. Zoe got treats, she met new friends. She got a few swags to bring home, like we got a new water bowl for the new office that we can use. And overall, like, we had a very great time. She has these beautiful flowers on her, even if she doesn't like to have it on her hat. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video as well. Don't forget to subscribe down below, hit that red button, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram at Zoe the Sassy Dog. We will release video again next week, twice a week as usual. So keep following us, and can't wait to see you next time. Bye!
Let's do that.
Bye guys!